Alright guys, you see there's Chewie. I just turned the lights on, so he's out. Yeah, this is the video request for FJM 2008, requested to see a video about Chewie, my chohaou gecko. So I thought I'd go ahead and do that. There he is. Let's see if I can get close to him. I'll put some pictures in at the end of the video. Prehensile tail. Yeah, he is super nice, super tame. Does like to run around a lot. He's a really lovable guy. Super nice guy. That's some water on his forehead, that's all that is. He's probably gonna run up my arm and sit on my shoulder. So I'll try to get his colors here. They're not too bright right now. His eyes are cool, I like his eyes. But yeah, so I'm putting some of this Serpashi's diet in there right now. See if he can eat. I've never caught him eating before. So let me set you guys down over here on the incubator. Whoa, buddy. See if I can give it a jump. 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 Oh, you didn't jump so well there. Jump. Alright. I'll leave you alone now. I'll leave you alone now. Come on, buddy, don't run away. I'm gonna get you to eat some of this Serpashi's diet. Come here. Sorry if you can't see anything. Hey, there. So yeah, Francisco. Oh, come on. Don't be a jerk. Don't be a jerk. Sorry about this. I'm trying to get him to eat some of this diet. I know he eats it because there's a lot missing. But I want to try to get him on film. Oh, I think. I'm just gonna be quiet right now. See if we eat. Come on, buddy, eat. I'm gonna try and text and film. Come on, dude. Eat some of that diet. Some of that delicious random crap. That's good for you. So yeah, this video's already 3 minutes long. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it now. But yeah, I'll put some pictures in so you can see them better. And thanks for watching, guys. If you have any more requests, just tell me. I'll do another video tomorrow, probably with Chewie in it. So yeah.